This exam application tutorial is on the topic of evolution. The question for 3 marks is explain how natural selection can result in the extinction of a species. What this question is asking you to do is describe 3 environmental factors that can result in a large decrease in population size of a species. So we have to think about natural changing conditions and how they can affect a population. Some conditions are living factors, biotic factors, such as disease, predators, food availability, and competitors, in other words, competition. Whereas some factors are non-living or abiotic factors, such as temperature and climate, water, rainfall, and pollution. All these factors can chisel away at a population, decreasing its size. You just need to discuss 3. Now I'm going to show you multiple marking points. You just need to select 3 that you find easiest to manage. Firstly, it's important to note that a change in the environment can lower the chances of survival for organisms who aren't adapted well. In other words, organisms who don't have features that help them cope with these changes. And now I'm just going to list a number of examples. For example, a disease could lead to the extinction of a species who haven't developed a resistance to the disease. Climate change is always a big player. Climate change can result in a change in a species' habitat, resulting in the extinction of that species. For example, polar bears and the melting ice caps, the effect that's having on their population. Some species may be better adapted to their environment so they can outcompete rival species. For example, if 2 species compete for the same prey, but one of those species is faster, then they're going to outcompete the other one in terms of catching that prey. And another factor could be increased predation can result in the extinction of a species. So if the number of predators in a population get too high, then it can result in the extinction of the prey they feed upon. Any 3 of these points will get you the marks.